we have a thought in a certain frequency, and then we have a repercussion or emotion, energy in movement in another dimension of our being. And if, for example, we are imagining like we are afraid of, I don't know, in pandemic, of getting a virus, whatever, then that thought can, at night or during the night, activate our cortisol. And then in the long term, night by night, if we are frightened for a long time, we can really have our body unbalanced and we can get sick. So it's very important how we manage our thoughts during the day. Einstein discovered that a thought has a kind of energy, E equal mc squared. That means like the thought is made of frequency and information, and it exists even when we are not realizing, because we cannot sense it by the taste or the eyes, or we cannot hear it, but it exists. The same that if I call somebody in Japan, in China, or in, I don't know, in Argentina, and I'm doing a phone call, I cannot see the frequency that connects me to the other cell phone, but there is a connection, there is a way of communication. Well, the same. Even when we coexist in 7 different frequencies, and we are not aware of some of them, they are all communicating and exchanging information, those dimensions. And also in these 3 times that are coexisting, this kind of movement is the one that we are processing all the time, always. And who is doing that movement? The one that is going to come and go with information, like this kind of program, like the traveler that comes and goes with everything that happens during our day, in our different planes of existence, and between the past and the future, the famous double. What's the double? That's what Garnier discovers, Jean-Pierre Garnier discovers, that everything in the universe has its double, energetic double. And this double, the planets have it, the galaxies have it, we have it as well. That means that our double can unfold itself in our physical body or not. That if you are alive, then you are unfolded. We are all unfolded. Yes, we are unfolded in our perception of time. Our double is processing at quantum speed all this information of the environment, of our past experiences, and of our future possibilities of survival all the time, all day long. If he wouldn't be doing this, we would be dying soon.